How to fix Apple Music playback error on Tesla. Here are a few steps that you can try. The first one will be restarting your Tesla screen. A simple screen reboot can fix it. You want to hold down both steering wheel scroll buttons, hold for about 10 seconds, the screen will go black and then restart, and you can try playing Apple Music again after the system reboots. The second tip that I can give you is signing out and back in. You will go to the Apple Music app on your Tesla, then tap settings, choose sign out, and you want to sign back in with your Apple ID. Try playing a song to see if it works. The third step will be clearing your Tesla account sync. Sometimes your Tesla might have trouble syncing licenses. You want to tap the car icon, then go to apps, Apple Music. You'll then look for an option to clear data or unlink account, and you can reconnect your Apple Music account afterward. Step 4, you can complete a software update. A newer software version might fix this. You want to tap Controls, then Software, check for updates, and if an update is available, you want to install it and try again after the reboot. Extra tips: try switching Wi-Fi on and off in your Tesla. Make sure your car has a strong connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, and ensure that your Apple Music subscription is active and not expired. Hope these tips help. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.